while the recording is on. Okay, we're being live streamed right now, and I've turned on a recording. All right, today's date is October 26th, 2021. In Crosby County, Texas, I call cause number 8357 in the interest of Jathan Christopher Sanchez. What says the state?
Ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Bunacek has answered ready. Present by audio and video is Victoria Lycon. Are you ready, Ms. Lycon?
Yes.
Also present by telephone is Ryan Sanchez. Are you ready, Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Mr. Bunacek, are there any agreements that you have to announce?
Well, Your Honor, there is an acknowledgement of paternity, and I believe they've agreed to the issue of paternity. We can ask the parties right now if that is in fact their agreement, but the other issues need to be addressed at the hearing.
Okay. Let me ask you, Ms. Lycon, will your testimony be that Mr. Sanchez is the father of this child?
Yes.
Do you have any reason to do you need any kind of DNA testing done?
No.
All right, Mr. Sanchez, do you want any kind of DNA testing done?
No.
All right. Then we're going to proceed to hearing. Mr. Bunacek, you may call your first witness.
I call Victoria Lycon.
All
Yes.
right, Ms. Lycon, would you raise your right hand, please? And we're basically just going to take turns. Mr. Sanchez, you'll get a chance to talk in just a few minutes, okay? We'll just do Ms. Lycon first. Ms. Lycon, would you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give should be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Bunacek.
Ms. Lycon, how many children do you have?
Just one.
Okay. What's his name?
Jathan Sanchez,
How old is Jathan?
3.
Who is Jathan's father?
Ryan,
Okay. Does Ryan Sanchez ever visit with Jathan?
no.
Okay. Do you have any safety concerns about Ryan visiting with Jathan?
No.
Okay. All right. What kind of health insurance does Jathan have right now?
Medicaid,
Do you intend to keep him on Medicaid for right now?
yes.
Are you asking the court to order that Mr. Sanchez pay child support for Jathan?
Yes.
And do you want to ask for retroactive support? And that would be support going back from today back to when Jathan was born.
Yes.
Has Mr. Sanchez provided any direct support to you, that is given you any money or items for Jathan?
No.
Okay. And Jathan's last name is Sanchez, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Judge, I'll pass the witness.
When is Jathan's birthday?
7/27/18.
I'm sorry, I missed the month.
July.
July 27th of what year?
18.
2018. Okay. And when was the last time Mr. Sanchez saw Jathan?
Never. I don't remember. Never.
Okay. Anything else you want me to know that doesn't come up through the question and answer?
No.
Thank you, ma'am. All right, Mr. Sanchez, do you have any questions you want to ask her? You're going to get a chance to testify in just a minute.
Okay. Okay.
Do you have questions for Ms. Licone?
I think I do.
Okay, and go ahead and ask the question then.
Okay, so I did visit him, and I do buy him things and give him things.
Okay,
And
get a chance to tell me that in just a minute.
okay,
Do you have a question for her?
then no.
Okay. You may call your next witness, Mr. Bunacek.
Paul Ryan Sanchez.
Mr. Sanchez, do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Go ahead, Mr. Bunacek.
Okay, Mr. Sanchez, you're Jathan's father, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. Have you visited with Jathan in the past?
Yes.
How often?
Pretty like in the middle. 'Cause I'll be busy working, but I would see him.
Okay. Like, do you see him every month?
Yes, at least every month, at least like 2 or 3 times.
Okay. When you visit with him, is it in your home or do you take Jathan with you? How does that go?
I take Jacob with me,
Okay.
and then home, and then take him back.
Has he stayed overnight with you before?
Like once or a few times.
Okay. What do you do for a living, Mr. Sanchez?
I work on building water chillers with assembly.
Are you paid hourly or salaried?
Hourly.
How much do you make an hour?
15.
I'm sorry, did you say 15?
15. Yes.
$15 an hour. And how many hours a week do you work?
I think the full 40 hours.
Do you ever get overtime?
Barely.
Okay. Not on a regular basis, at least.
No.
Okay. Let's see. Have you ever provided direct support for Jathan in the form of money
Yes.
or objects?
Yes.
What
Yes.
direct support have you provided?
Some clothes, car seat, and Pampers and wipes and things for like a little bit of money.
Okay. If you had to add all of that up, what would you say would be the value of all of those?
I got receipts on things that I bought for him. I don't know the full amount, but I know it's a good amount.
Okay. It's a good amount, meaning how much? Can you put a dollar figure to it?
300, 500 probably.
Okay.
That's the
And that's a total for the first 3 years?
Oh, the first 3 years.
Yes.
Oh, no. Then like at least over 1,000 more,
Over 1,000. Okay.
or 2,000.
All right. I'll pass the witness.
All right. When was the last time you saw Jathan?
You talking to me, ma'am?
I'm sorry, when?
Are you talking to me?
Okay. And how long were you with him at that time?
Like for half of the day, or like 4 hours.
Was it at Ms. Licon's house or what did you do?
I would take him out to go eat and like to go play games and try to have fun with him as much as I can.
Okay. Okay. Anything else you want me to know?
Probably so, but not that I'm thinking of right now.
Okay. Do you have any other children?
No.
All right, let me hear from you both. Closing, Mr. Bunacek.
I'll waive, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Licone,
Yes.
I should do. From your point of view, what do you think I should do in this case?
Well, I like whenever he buys the stuff, like Pampers or whatever, he keeps it over there at his house. And my mom's the one that buys Pampers, Wipies, and all that for Jathan.
Not true.
Okay. Okay, what do you think I should do about the visitation?
She's asking you.
From your point of view, what would you want me to do?
Like,
To explain to you.
can you explain?
Okay, I'm going to order that Mr. Sanchez has visitation with Jathan. What do you think would be a good visitation schedule?
Like what day?
She's talking about a schedule. Like you know how he told you the first, the second, and the third of the month.
Yeah. The first of every month.
Okay, that would work for you at your house, or can he take Jathan out with him?
He can take them out.
Okay. Anything else you want me to know?
No.
Okay. Sanchez, from your point of view, what do you think I should do?
Can you repeat that, please?
From your point of view, what if you could have anything you want in regards to Jathan, what do you think I should do?
If I can see him as much as I can.
Okay. Okay. Okay, give me a minute here and I'm going to let you know my decision in just a minute. All right, based on the testimony and the evidence before me then, I do find that Mr. Sanchez is Jathan's legal and biological father for all purposes, and I'm appointing both parents as joint managing conservators, meaning that both of you make decisions for Jathan, but Ms. Licone will be the person that that Jathan lives with primarily. Okay, so she'll have the right to determine his residence. I'm ordering 5 visits from Saturday at 8 a.m. until Sunday at 6 p.m., followed by standard visitation. I'm ordering Mr. Sanchez to pay child support to Ms. Sanchez of $410, to Ms. Licone of $410 per month, starting November 1st of 2021. So in just a week or so, that will start. And I'm ordering a retroactive child support judgment of $14,000 to be paid at an additional, let's make it $70 per month. And I'm also ordering Mr. Sanchez to pay for the Medicaid at $100 per month. So keep Jathan Medicaid as long as he's eligible. And then if there are any bills that Medicaid doesn't cover, both parents will pay half. I'm waiving court costs in this matter. Is there any relief I need to address?
I
No.
believe that covers all the issues, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Bunacek is going to prepare that order for my signature. I'm going to sign off on it. Starting today, there's a period of 3 business days during which any one of you can request a new hearing. If you do that, you get a new hearing in front of the district judge, Ms. Caruth, and she would start fresh and make her own decision. She's not bound by anything I've done. But if nobody requests a new hearing in those 3 business days, this order starts to become final, and you should get a copy either in the mail or by email. You need to give addresses to Mr. Bunacek. Mr. Bunacek, do you have that information?
I have not verified their addresses with them yet, Judge, but. give me-
Okay, I'm going to turn off the recording.
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
So I'm be paying 14,000 back pay.
Yes. That gives
Okay, I
you
got
credit
another
for,
question.
that gives you credit for 1,000 in what you've provided.
Like, does that mean like from all those years that we weren't together or something like that?
Were you to, that counts from the time that Jathan was born until now, giving you a credit of $1,000 for the Pampers and everything else you bought.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and you should get a copy of that order by email or by regular mail within about 2 weeks. If you don't get one, call the AG's office in Lubbock and Lubbock Rural and remind them to send you one, okay?